Everyone, welcome to another Download with Derek. It feels like spring is coming around here in New York, and today we're going to talk about my favorite topic, at least for this quarter, which is large language models and the potential use of GPT in clinical trials. I've done a lot of experimenting with these new technologies in the evening hours, and I have to say it's truly very, very impressive. Obviously, there's a lot of caveats to the technology in its current state. However, if you just see the progression from, for example, GPT-3 and 3.5 to GPT-4, the latest version that just got released, I think it's safe to say that a lot of the issues and challenges that currently sort of play into using these technologies will go away very soon. And I would recommend everyone to at least be aware of what can be achieved with this type of technology. And one thing that I think is very exciting, but I also know will be challenging, is on the patient engagement side and helping patients better understand research. So we have already internally developed proof of concepts that take long, unclear, complicated, informed consent forms. And the technology then summarizes those into a very short, easy to understand list. We've even gone as far as to experiment with creating graphics based on the ICF. Now, obviously, this is something the IRB would have to buy into and have to approve, which unfortunately probably creates a significant barrier for the immediate future. But I do think this is a very interesting application of this type of technology that is highly effective and will greatly increase the patient experience. So think about a chatbot integrated into an eConsent platform that can answer any questions on about the ICF. Now, I know that sounds very scary and risky, but I want to challenge you into thinking, where will this go and how long will it take before these approaches will become actually accepted? Because I guarantee you that it's going to happen, and I think it's worthwhile making sure we all understand the potential implications. And of course, in the meantime, CASA will be working very hard to show you some real-world examples of how this technology can make clinical research better in a closely monitored, well-guarded way. Because there's much more to GPT and large language models than just hallucinations. There's actually really good ways to prevent that from happening by linking these tools to structured data sources. So I would say, don't discount this technology too quickly. Read up on it. Read up on how we can put guardrails in place and have it connect to real-world, more structured data sources. And hopefully share in some of the excitement that I feel for this technology, because I do think it can make a lot of things in clinical trials a lot better. And if you have any examples or use cases that you've already successfully developed, I would love to hear about it. And maybe we can do a quick LinkedIn live event on that together. That's it for now. See you next time. Thanks very much.